This video is going to show you how to find the equation editor on the PARCC website. So the first thing you want to do is make sure that you are at this website, parcc.pearson.com/tutorial. It's going to give you some different tutorials that you can look at. I just want to talk a little bit about the equation editor that's over on the right hand side. So there are a few different options. The first one would be the guide. This just gives some different tips for using the equation editor, what it looks like, what some of the different buttons use. Might be a good idea to show this to your students. The second one is practicing with the equation editor. So if you open this one, it really is just giving you some blank boxes where students can practice typing. So for example, here they would be able to type in something related to just math, so that would be numbers and symbols, and then there's also a place where they can practice typing words and math. So this is something that I like to use when I give a practice question and I ask my students to practice typing it in so they can see what it would look like on PARCC. The third one is just an equation editor tutorial. As they go through, it just tells them different things about the equation editor in PARCC. It asks them to type in certain things and practice so that they can kind of use trial and error to see what it would really look like when they take the PARCC assessment.